Controller drift can be frustrating while playing Roblox. Here is a simple guide to help you reduce or eliminate this issue. Step 1. Clean the controller. Start by cleaning the controller, especially around the analog sticks. Use a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol to gently wipe away any dirt or debris that may be causing the drift. Step 2. Check for software updates. Ensure your controller's firmware is up to date. Connect it to your console or PC and check for any available updates that may improve performance and reduce drift. Step 3. Adjust dead zone settings. Access the settings in Roblox and adjust the dead zone for the analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help minimize the effects of drift by requiring more movement before the game registers input. Step 4. Recalibrate the controller. Recalibrate your controller through the system settings. This process can help reset the analog stick sensitivity and reduce drift issues. Step 5. Consider controller replacements. If the drift persists despite cleaning and adjustments, it may be time to consider replacing the controller. Look for a model known for durability and minimal drift issues. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate controller drift while playing Roblox. Enjoy your gaming experience.